In Imo State, the killings that are going on there, as a matter of fact, the military is dropping bombs from fighter jets in Imo State. How come they've not declared state of emergency in those states that have serious security problems? And you're telling me because a pipe was blown up, that's enough reason to declare state of emergency in Rivers State? We can all see this is politically motivated. We want to call on Mr. President. We, the Ijaw people, are a peace-loving people. For so many years, our region was in conflict. It took the intervention of the government of late President Yar'Adua to bring back peace and stability to the Niger-Delta. Mr. President, do not set our region on fire. Yes. Do not take us back to the days where instability and conflict engulfed the political and social economy of the Niger-Delta. This issue is a political issue that deserves a political solution and not the declaration of a state of emergency. We want to also call on those who are close to the president and his advisors. Will you, because of preparing yourselves for the next political dispensation, tear Rivers State apart? Do you want to turn the people of the Niger-Delta, especially the Ijaw people, against the president? Because this is an attack on not just Fubara and the government of Rivers State. It's an attack on all Ijaw people. Yes. We are calling for peace. We'll rescind this decision, and the government of Fubara will be restored, because the president too does not have the right to remove a duly elected president. Yes. We all have read the Constitution. Let us also take our minds back to when former President Goodluck Jonathan declared state of emergency in Borno, Yobe, and Adamawa states. The governors were not removed. Yes. Even though these were states that were fighting war, because the government knew, and the government came out then to say that the reason why they did not remove the governors of those states is because the president do not have the power to unilaterally remove elected officials. This is the position of the Constitution. So Mr. President has even gone against the Constitution he has sworn to protect. Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, please, we are calling for peace. We want our state to be stable, and we are appealing again to Mr. President, rescind your decision. It is against the Constitution. Rescind your decision. Let our state have a functioning government. Thank you.